Guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your battery levels for all of your devices connected to your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So all you have to do, guys, is just simple press and hold anywhere on your home screen here, and you will see the options appear at the bottom. Now you want to click on widgets. Now from here you will have a bunch of different widgets that you can choose from. So you want to look for the one that says battery. So as you can see, the battery widgets there, just press to the right side, expand that, and you have the battery widget. So all you have to do, guys, is just simply go ahead and choose the one that shows the battery status, click on add, and this will be added on your phone. As you can see at the top here, I just have only my phone, but you have option for any other devices that I would have connected to my phone. I can simply go ahead, once these are connected, those other devices will be appeared at the top there, and that's how I will be able to track and check my battery status for all of my connected devices to my phone. How amazing is that? If you find value in this video, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and of course, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.